Hi guys, so welcome to my house in Newport that is currently having some damp work done. So we had some rising damp. This bit here, the rising damp had already been taken care of, but they hadn't allowed the wall above to dry out. So we've been advised after the damp survey to hack that out and re-render that with damp-proof render. So we go into the living room, as you can see. So the damp report said that there was some damp there, in these two alcoves, along this front wall, along the back wall, and in these two alcoves here. So I got the builder in, he's hacked it all back. I've then had a damp specialist company called DTD. They've come and they've drilled, so I'm not sure if you can see, but they've drilled into the bottom of the bricks here and they've injected with a high pressure pump the silicone, which apparently goes in and seals it off. And then what they've given us is some damp proof waterproofer. So some damp proof waterproofer, if that makes any sense at all, to mix in with the render. So then when the builder comes back, he's going to re-render that, then skim it over. And if I put the heating on correctly and allow it to dry out, then that's going to solve the rising damp issue. So he's done this on the inside walls and he's also done it on the exterior walls as well. So this house is terraced. So he can't do it on the other side of these walls because that's someone's house. But he's done it on the exterior walls, front and back. So apparently this is what fixes rising damp, as I've been told. And the most important thing that I've done is got a specialist company in. They did a survey and they give a 30-year guarantee with this building, with the damp proofing on this building. So that's really important because one of the main factors that I was worried about was that we'd hack it off, get a builder to inject it, and then in a year or two's time it would come back. So hopefully that will not be the case with this property. So I just thought I'd give you guys a little look into the joys of being a landlord and doing damp proof work. I thought it was an absolute minefield. It's actually not that bad. Trying to understand it. It is fairly costly, but I think when it's done, you're gonna get a lot better reports from your tenants. I think they'll treat the place a lot better as well.